falling towards supermassive black holes, containing hundreds of millions of times more mass than the Sun. The Spiderweb protocluster exists at an epoch in the universe that astronomers refer to as cosmic noon. Scientists have found that during this time, about 3 billion years after the Big Bang, black holes and galaxies were undergoing extreme growth. The Spiderweb appears to be exceeding the lofty standards of even this active period in the universe. The 14 sources detected by Chandra imply that about 25% of the most massive galaxies contain actively growing black holes. This is between 5 and 20 times higher than the fraction found for other galaxies of a similar age and with about the same range of masses. Astronomers are investigating what could be causing this high rate of growth around the Spiderweb. It could have to do with collisions of galaxies that happened earlier, or it might be due to more cold gas than is expected, which could act as fuel for black hole growth.